Why you are not rich yet. Being rich is a relative term. You will have to decide what being rich means to you. Someone has 5 million and considers himself rich, while another has 100 million but considers himself not rich. Here are 5 reasons why you are not rich. Number 1, you don't have a plan to be rich. You cannot be rich without a plan. Make your plan to be rich today and start working on your plan. You lack financial literacy. Ignorance is costly. Begin today to acquire knowledge about money, how to make money, manage money, and multiply money. Read books about money, study money and how to acquire money. You don't save and invest. Learn how to save and invest your money. Start with as little as 10% in various investment vehicles such as stocks, mutual funds, and bonds. You are living above your means. You spend more than you earn. You are living a consumptive lifestyle. You don't practice delayed gratification. You are living like the Jones. You are comparing yourself with others. Why do we always make excuses for not being rich? We tell ourselves that having money is not that important. Why stress yourself out with all the hassle just to be rich? Life is about more than that. You know what to do to be rich, but you are not doing it. This is called procrastination. You tell yourself that you will start saving and investing later, at a more convenient time. Someone has rightly said that the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The next best time to start is today. Develop your plan today. Start saving and investing. The journey of 1,000 miles begins. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the step that is taken. Start taking your baby steps towards being rich. See you at the wealthy place.